Welcome to MBS Daylight for SketchUp tutorial on how to set up groups. In this video we are going to set up groups for neighbor analysis. For this we need to create 3 different groups named existing, proposed and surrounding. Let's create a group called surrounding first. For this, hide the proposed and existing buildings and select all the buildings remaining. Next, right-click on the SketchUp and click on Make a Group option in Context menu. And rename the group name to Surrounding in Outliner section. With this we have created the surrounding group. Similarly, let's create proposed group. For this we will hide the recently created surrounding group and existing building, so that we can select the proposed building easily. Select the proposed building and click on Make Group option from Context menu. And rename the group name to Proposed. Next we are going to create the existing group. Select all the faces in the existing building and click on Make Group from Context menu option. And rename the group name to Existing in Outliner section. Thank you for watching this tutorial.